This video is for our SaniSpray ISO unit. It stands for individual sensor operated with the Mueller valves. If you notice, there aren't any push buttons on the outside of the head or on the floor of the unit. It's available anywhere from a 3 to an 8 station unit. For demonstration purposes, I've removed the head. And once again, this video is for the Mueller valve. It's a round white valve. It just screws right in there. If you don't have this type of valve, please refer to a different video. The first and easiest test we're going to do, and we're going to say for demonstration purposes that number 3 is not functioning. We'll take the battery and exchange it with the adjacent 9-volt that is working fine, and vice versa. Run it through a couple cycles to see if it tests okay. If the battery is the problem, we prefer that you exchange it with a lithium 9-volt battery. If the battery is not the problem, what we're going to do next is we're going to move to the valve in the same way. We're going to disconnect the non-working station and take that valve and move it over to the number 2 station and connect the number 2 to the number 3. Run it through a couple cycles, find out if the valve is working or if the problem traveled with our connections. If both valves prove to be good, the next step would be to swap the sensors. There's a little barrel nut. If you just loosen that up, disconnect it, swap it with the one next door, you'll be able to test the sensor in the same way of process of elimination. If the problem isn't fixed at that point and you still have a problem with this station, the suspect would be the microprocessor. So if you go and backtrack and disconnect those 3 parts, swap the microprocessor with the one next to it, you should find that the problem is the microprocessor and that needs to be replaced. If you go to our website homepage at intersanus.com, and at the top of the page, click the products button. From that menu, click the appropriate picture for your product and keep narrowing your search for the information or the cleaning that you're looking for. Thank you.